Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Astral Mark Arcane Lineage step by step. Start by confirming your character meets the arcane prerequisites and has the correct class progression. Next, gather required items and prepare spells that interact with astral energies. Visit the marked shrine and perform the ritual sequence while following timing cues. Finally, verify the lineage upgrade and save immediately to lock in the Astral Mark rewards. Prepare carefully to improve success rates and reduce frustration during the Astral Mark quest. Equip arcane boosting items and bolster your spell slots so you can complete ritual steps without interruption. Stock reagents and healing consumables to handle environmental damage or guardian encounters. Set a nearby save and plan an escape route in case the ceremony triggers hostile responses. With this preparation, you limit risk and execute the ritual with focus and calm to secure the Astral Mark Arcane Lineage. Enter the site when the environment matches required conditions and avoid altering variables mid-ritual. Speak or cast each incantation in the precise order and monitor cues that signal success or failure. Use tactical abilities to neutralize guardians quickly and prioritize ritual continuity. If interrupted, reset to your save and try again with adjusted timing or a different approach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.